Hi. I assume that the earlier uploaded videos you've seen, you've gone through, and the demonstration which I showed, even you have tried out the same demonstration on your desktops or laptops. So, with this as a background, why not to try out certain exercises based on array list, linked list, hatch set, and tree set. Let me explain you what do I expect from here. Here is a sample list of methods for linked list. I have given what a method does for the first three methods. Similarly, you have to find out what add first, add last, remove, and contains methods do. And at your end, you are supposed to write what is it that is done if you call these methods or use these methods in your program. Now, when you do exploring this, go ahead and you have to write a method public static void downsize linked list of employees and integer n. This method does what? This method removes every nth employee from a linked list. Now you can refer to the demos wherein we have had an employee list over there. So you know how to do all that. But still I've given the hints. You have to create an employee class. In the employee class, you should have the constructor and the toString method. You have to create a test employee class which will have two methods. One as the main method and the other method which is this downsize method which you will be writing in the same class. And then after you complete writing the downsize method, you're going to call the downsize method in the main method. You'll find that while creating the body of the downsize method, you will be using one or many of the methods which are there in the earlier slide. That's the sample methods for the linked list. So use that and do this. Let me see how many of you can do that and then better submit that on Google Classroom. Then you have a homework, public static void reverse. As you did for the downsize, you have to also write one more method, probably in the same class, which is test employee list class as a reverse method. And this reverse method will reverse the order of the elements which are there in the employee list. So this you are going to try out. Then after this, let us have an exercise on hash set. You have to create an hash set of integers. Now you have to add the numbers starting from 2 to n using a for loop. Now you have to extract all the elements which are divisible by 2 from the above set and remove such elements from the set and print the remaining set as a result. For this, you can go through these methods which are available for hash set. You'll find that one or the other method or maybe all the methods you will require to use when you do that program. And then once you are satisfied that you are getting the display of the set which has excluded the elements which are divisible by 2, you can go ahead for the homework, which is example 15.3 on page number 714 of the Big Java early object book, which is this. It is also an example of hash set wherein you are going to generate hash set which will have numbers starting from 1 to any maximum number which is given by the user, say 100 or 200. And then you have to operate on this set in such a way that ultimately you are left with only just prime numbers in the set and all other numbers are removed. And how that is to be done is all elaborated in the problem statement. You may try this. Only hint which I have given over here is you will have to use int value method from the integer class for dealing with this. Let me see if you can try. If you can get it, well and good. If not, I'll send the solution, but I do not wish to send the solution. You better try that. Okay, all the best. Stay safe, stay home. Bye.